Hi guys, welcome to this tutorial. It's all about Hblock. Last videos I've made are about Hblock. Do have a look on our YouTube channel. Now I'll stick to what I have to tell you on this one. This is only about the ArcoLinux tweak tool, right? What we've done is the following. In discussion with somebody on Discord, we decided to add an extra feature. Enable Hblock is available, right? When you update your system, so this is a video that happens to be on LeftWM. It has nothing to do with LeftWM. It has to do with ArcoLinux tweak tool, and it's just an application that can run anything ArcoLinux related. Now, when we do, you see already logout, root, tweak tool, and ZSH. If you see all those, you know you need to do a scal in the sense that we need something in the backend. The ZSH is changed, the root is changed, the bash RC, the .zsh RC. With scal, everything is now here. Super X, I'm gonna log out and have a nice little go at the new bash RC. By the way, this is gonna be the new default, login screen. Simplicity from ArcoLinux. So we quit everything again. This conky can be, of course, disabled, but I do a quickly kill conky. KC is a quick thing to actually go and kill any conky available. Now, I want you to show the new ArcoLinux tweak tool. So this video is about what's new in ArcoLinux tweak tool. It has to do with Hblock, privacy. There is a new line here. Your original etc host file can be found in etc/host.back.att. What's that about is that some of us, well, probably very few, but some of us go into the hosts file, this one. If we open it, we see some lines. This is generated via the network manager. If you enable this, you get this. When we launch this guy up here, only with the tweak tool, not in a terminal type, Hblock won't do that. But ATT, ArcoLinux tweak tool, we are in control of it, right? We make it, we build it. So what I've done is I've told the system, if you enable this thing, first make a backup of the hosts file. So this thing, hosts, click, what happens? We have a host back ATT. So it's exactly the copy. At this point in time, it's still a copy of these two, right? The original one is copy pasted over and it stays there forever until you delete it yourself. In here is Hblock. Hector is active. 2,800 URLs or domains are being blocked. A lot of bullshit and advertising and tracking and all that. It's all blocked now. If you want to disable it again, you can, no problem. It will look a little bit different as the beginning, right? But it's still the same thing, still the same functionality. We've built this in because some people want to actually say that, for instance, something like this, and that 0.50 is actually my NAS, so NAS server or something like that. So I have something special in there, specific, personal in there. And well, they will find anything that they've changed manually, of course. They'll have a backup. That's what we've done. All right, cheers.